Hello CS scholars, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and very healthy. Children, last time you all remember that I asked one promise from you. What was that promise? Yes, that you will eat 1 or 2 fruits daily. So is everybody eating 1 or 2 fruits every day? Yes, very good. And are you all eating an apple every day? Yes, very good. And why should we eat apple every day? Yes, because an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Children, today also we will be continuing with the fruits topic from world around us. So now let's quickly have a look into that. So children, quickly bring your world around us book and we will be continuing with our topic fruits. Okay? So now let us have a recap of what we have learnt in our last session. We had learnt that fruits are of 2 types. Do you all remember that fruits are of 2 types? Juicy fruits and fleshy fruits. Now what are juicy fruits? Juicy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make juices. For example, oranges. We drink orange juice, right? So orange is a juicy fruit. Like orange, there are many other fruits which are juicy. Fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are the fruits which can be used to make shakes. For example, chiku shake, right? We drink chiku shake. And like chiku, there are other fruits also which are fleshy. And we can make shakes out of that. Okay, so fruits are of 2 types, juicy fruits and fleshy fruits. Now what else we had learnt? We had learnt that there are some fruits which have lots of seeds. See, like in this watermelon, there are lots of seeds, right? And there are some which have just 1 or 2, like apple. It has 2 seeds. We had seen example of lychee also which had 1 seed, right? So there are some fruits which have lots of seeds and there are some which have just 1 or 2 seeds. Okay, so this is what we had learnt in our last session. Now let us start with our today's activity. Go to page number 35. We will be doing one activity. Children, for this activity you all have to do it with the help of your parents. What you need to do is take an adult's help to cut the slices and pieces of various fruits. You can take any fruits of your choice, okay, but cut it into slices with the help of any adult or any elder at your home, okay. Do not do it by yourself. Then put them in a tall glass. Put the slices of the fruits of your choice in a tall glass. And now let's see what is step number 3. Step number 3 is put some ice cream and top it with a cherry. First, put the slices in the tall glass, slices of the fruits in a tall glass, and after that, put some ice cream and top it up with a cherry. Yummy, right? So, your own fruit salad sundae is ready. Children, do try this activity with your parents or anyone elder to you, okay, and you all will also enjoy and you all will be eating all the healthy fruits, right? And now what we have to do to this? Color the picture with fruity flavors. See, we can see many fruits in this and ice cream and cherry, right? We will be coloring all of this with fruity flavors. See, I've already done it. Y'all can just have a look and y'all can do it accordingly in your book. Okay? See, I have colored the picture. Y'all can also do the same colors in your book. Okay? So, complete this page number 35. Now, go to page number 36. Join the juicy fruits to the glass in the middle. Now, which are the juicy fruits? Banana is a juicy fruit. No. Orange, yes. So we will join it in the middle. Then papaya, no. Chiku, no. Grapes, yes. Grapes is a juicy fruit, right? So we will be joining it to the glass like this way. Okay. So this way you all will be completing your page number 36. Now go to page number 37. What we can read here? Apples, papayas, bananas and tomatoes are anytime fruits. That means these three fruits we can get in any season. Okay. Apples, papayas, bananas and tomatoes are anytime fruits. Bananas are plucked green as they keep ripening even afterwards. Have you seen green banana? That is the raw banana. But whenever we pluck the banana, we pluck it green, and they keep on ripening even afterwards, right? Afterwards also, and it become yellow in color. See, like this banana, right? Apples can be green, yellow, or red in color. Usually we do eat red apple, but apple comes in different colors, that is green, yellow and red also. Okay. And how does apple helps us? Apples help to clean the blood and make your gums strong. Remember, I keep on saying one thing, that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Now, see how it benefits us. It helps to clean the blood in our body and also keeps our gums strong. Children, there is one experiment also which you all can try. It's an apple floats in water. Just see, try it. Take a bowl of water and try to put an apple in it. Apple will not sink in it, it will float in it. Okay. So children, now let us go to page number 38. We will see anytime fruits now. That is all season fruit. Some fruits are available round the year and you don't have to wait for any season to eat them, like banana. As we learned in the last page, that there are some fruits which are anytime fruits, that is all season. There are some fruits which are available all the year. Throughout the year you can have that fruit and you don't have to wait for any season to eat them. Like banana you have around the year, right? You all don't have to wait for any season to eat banana. Okay, so this is known as all season fruit or anytime fruits. On the same page, we have sometime fruits, that is seasonal fruits. These are the fruits which are not available all the year round, but you have to wait for them for a particular season. See, anytime fruit we don't have to wait for any season, right? But there are certain fruits which are not available all the year. Okay, they are available only during a particular season, like mangoes, right? Mangoes we get it only in summer. We have to wait for summer to come so that we can eat mango, right? Like that way, that is, there are other seasonal fruits also. Now summer fruits. On the same page itself, that is page number 38. Mangoes, lychees, watermelons and muskmelons. These are the summer fruits. Which are the summer fruits? Mangoes, lychees, watermelons and muskmelons. These are the summer fruits. And what do you mean by summer fruits? It means that these fruits we get only during summer. Apart from summer, we cannot get these fruits. These are the seasonal fruits. Okay. Now let us look to winter fruits. Which are the winter fruits? Oranges, apples, pears and guavas. These are the winter fruits. These fruits are available only during winters. Okay? Oranges, apples, pears and guavas. These are the winter fruits. Now go to page number 39. We have to do one activity over here. There are 5 apples hidden in the picture. Find them. Now let us see where are the 5 apples hiding. See, I got 1, 2, 3. Now where else? 4 and 5. Yes, I got all the 5 apples. So what we need to do over here is, were you able to find them? Tick the correct option. We were able to find it, right? So we will tick the correct option. Yes. Okay. So children, complete this page, complete this activity. Okay. And very soon we will be meeting in my next video. Thank you so much. Keep eating fruits. Okay. Bye bye.